You're the new chef, yes?
Yes, it show?
A little, but don't worry. We're a great team. We've got your back.
I just worry I care too much sometimes.
That means you care. That's why you belong here.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Only in your eyes. Don't worry. I'll tell the guests they're in good hands.
Thank you. That means more than you know. Here, a special ingredient just for you.
Wow, what is it? Can I smell it too?
Of course, it's a secret herb.
It smells amazing.
I'm glad you like it.
This food, who made it?
I did. Is it all right?
It tastes like home.
That's the greatest compliment you could give. Hi, I finished my first day. Team, these look fantastic. Great job tonight. Good night, and thank you for everything today.
Tomorrow, you won't look so scared.
I hope not. Rest well, Jane. Tomorrow we cook again. Yes, tomorrow. Hi, I finished my first day.
How was it, sweetheart?
It went really well. I'm so proud of you. Thank you, Mom. I was so nervous, my hands were shaking, but people were kind.
We knew you'd find your place.
I think I did. Today, I really think I did. First day.